Hi Fresno Unified students. We are taking a different approach to distance learning the next few weeks. You will not need a method book for these lessons. You will be receiving video instruction, the video instruction you're watching right now on YouTube, and a PDF of each exercise that I'm going to be going over. In these videos, I will walk you through the steps to learn each exercise so you can be successful. We will cover key signature, time signature, rhythms, and note names. Then you will hear what it sounds like on a real instrument and get an opportunity to practice. If you don't have an instrument, that's okay. You can clap and count rhythms, and you can review note names and airplay your instruments. Hi, beginning clarinet and trumpet players. We're going to start this week's lesson by going to exercise 1. First, we have treble clef. Everybody say treble clef. Good, one more time, say treble clef. Treble clef is the clef the clarinet and trumpet are in. Now we're going to go to key signature. There is no sharps or flats in the key signature for clarinet or trumpet, so you don't have to worry about any sharps or flats. You just have to say the note. Now we're going to go to time signature. Our time signature is 4/4 time. The top 4 tells us there are 4 beats in a measure. What does the top number tell us? There are 4 beats in a measure. One more time. What does the top number tell us? There are 4 beats in a measure. Now the bottom 4 tells us the quarter note gets 1 beat. What does the bottom 4 tell us? The quarter note gets 1 beat. One more time. What does the bottom 4 tell us? The quarter note gets 1 beat. Let's look at the rhythms. The first 2 measures, we have a half note, a quarter note, and a rest, another rest, then a quarter note, then a half note. So we would clap and count it like this. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. And we count to 4 because everything adds up to 4 because there are 4 beats in a measure. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. Good. Let's move on to the next 2 measures. We have a whole note here, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have 3 quarter notes, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and then rest. So let's do that together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. One more time together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to clap the rhythm for you. I'm going to give you a chance to practice clapping and counting. Then we're going to do it together, and then you're going to do it by yourselves. So here's how it sounds. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and practice that. Now let's try it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Now, ladies and gentlemen, try it by yourselves. How did you do? If you matched exactly what I did, congratulations. Give yourself a pat on the shoulder. If you didn't, that's okay. You can practice again. And guess what? The nice thing about YouTube is you can always rewind this video. So rewind it and practice as many times as you need. Now we're going to go over the notes. The first note is E, then G, then we have a rest, another rest. Now F, half note D, a whole note D, a quarter note G, a quarter note G, and a quarter note C. Remember, C is a ledger line. If you don't remember how to identify notes, you can always go to Music with the Dunlops, Lesson 1 on note names, and there I explain in detail how to identify each note for every instrument. Let's say the notes with the rhythms now, but first I'm going to show you how it sounds, then we're going to do it together, then you're going to do it on your own. Here's how it sounds. E, G, F, D, D, E, G, G, C. Go ahead and practice on your own. All right, let's try it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, G, F, D, D, G, G, C. Now try it by yourselves. Did you match me? If you did, congratulations. If not, keep practicing. You will get it. Next up is exercise 2. So we know that's treble clef. We're back in 4/4 time. There are 4 beats in a measure. Class, how many beats are in the measure? 4 beats. How many beats are in a measure? Good, 4 beats. Now the bottom number tells us what note gets 1 beat, and it tells us the quarter note gets 1 beat. So what note gets 1 beat? The quarter note. One more time. What note gets one beat? The quarter note. So look down here. We have 3 quarter notes and a rest, 2 quarter notes and a rest, and a quarter note. So it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4. Try that together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4. Now we're going to continue on. We have 4 quarter notes and 2 half notes. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try that together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to do the whole thing. I'm going to clap and count. Then we're going to do it together, and then you're going to do it on your own. And I'm also going to give you a chance to practice in between. So I'm going to clap and count it now. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and practice that on your own. All right, now let's try it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, ladies and gentlemen, go ahead and try it on your own. Now let's go over the notes. We have first line E there, so we're going to go E, G, G. There's a rest, a quarter rest, so it's one silent beat. G, C, quarter rest. E, D, G, G, A, G, C. So I'm going to do it. We're going to do it together, and then you're going to do it by yourselves. And between when I do it and we do it together, you're going to get a chance to practice. So here's how it sounds. Just listen right now. E, G, 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 C. E, D, G, G, A, G, C. Go ahead and practice on your own. All right, let's try it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, G, 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 C. E, D, G, G, A, G, C. Now try it on your own. Next up is exercise 3. This is the last exercise we're going to be doing this week. Same procedure. Let's look at the time signature. We're in 4/4 time. That means how many beats are in a measure? 4 beats. Good. What note gets 1 beat? Is it quarter note, half note, or whole note? If you said quarter note, you're correct. Let's look at the rhythm now. So we have a half note, 2 quarter notes, a quarter rest, 1 silent beat, and then 3 quarter notes. So it would sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Then we have a whole note and 2 quarter notes. So we would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. We're going to do the same procedure. I'm going to demonstrate it for you. We are going to clap and count together, and then you're going to do it on your own. Here's how the rhythm sounds. Just listen right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Now let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Now go ahead and try that on your own. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for participating in this week's lesson.
Today I will play your clarinet exercises for you. This is exercise 1. This is exercise 2. This is exercise 3. Today I'll be playing your trumpet exercises for you. This is exercise 1. This is exercise 2. This is exercise 3.